Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Umi Tea Sets reached out to me to see if I would show you their pink diamond crystal glass Gaiwan tea set. And since I love tea, I said yes. Now this arrived very well packaged, first in outer packaging, then bubble wrap, and then this beautiful gift box. This must be a cloth for polishing the glass. Now I've seen a picture of the set online, but I'm excited to see it in real life. This is the little teapot, or the Gaiwan. It is so pretty. Here's the strainer. Wow, this is well packaged. Each piece comes in its own slot in the box. It's foam all around, so nothing is broken. It survived being shipped around the world. Honestly, I'm not a Chinese or Japanese tea ceremony type of tea drinker. I can appreciate that culture, but I'm going to be using this in my own personal way, so please don't be offended. I also prefer black tea to green tea, so that's what I'll be brewing. This is so pretty. My granddaughters are going to love having a tea party with me. This set is made with heat-resistant glass. You can see each piece has pink crystal accents. The 6 teacups are shaped in a diamond cut style. They are so pretty. These cups are very small. They're so dainty. They will be perfect for my tea tastings. I'll add a link to a tea tasting that my friends and I did recently where we tried TWG teas from Singapore to the end of this video. Now this is an incredibly elegant tea set with a bit of whimsical fun with those pink crystals embedded in each piece. Let's brew some tea. I'll just pour it directly into the diffuser. Oh, a few of the leaves snuck through, but that's okay. They'll settle on the bottom. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Now I'm brewing Murchie's Earl Grey tea. Let's have a little taste. That's lovely, and I love the weight of these cups. Now I'll add a link to the Umi Tea Sets for you to check out. Please use my discount code TINAGIRLLIFE to get a discount site-wide. Thanks for watching my video today on the pink diamond crystal Gaiwan tea set from Umi Tea Sets. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for more great reviews. Now don't forget to check out the links below and claim your discount. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next.